This work proposes a simple but effective method, gradient split, for multitask human image analysis. We aim to develop a multitask network to solve 4 major human-related tasks, including attribute recognition, pose estimation, human parsing, and identity recognition. In our work, we assume a practical setting where we learn the multitask network from different datasets. Every dataset only contains the annotation for one single task. That means we don't require one dataset to have all annotations for all tasks. The major problem to develop a multitask network is the task conflict. Human-related tasks can have conflict with each other. Specifically, tasks require different and conflicting information. For example, attribute recognition needs identity-variant feature, but pose estimation needs identity-invariant feature. Pose estimation also concedes pose variance, but person identification needs pose invariance feature. This work aims to avoid such task conflict and learn a better multitask network. To achieve this goal, we propose gradient split. It uses intertask relation for learning the model. Here I show how to define intertask relation. First, we learn a single task network for task A, and we calculate its performance. Second, we jointly learn both task A and task B, then we calculate the accuracy of two-task network on task A. Based on this, we compute the relative accuracy change for task A. If the change is smaller than a threshold, then task B has a negative relation for task A. Here I show the relative changes for each task. By using a smaller threshold, we can get the asymmetric inter-task relationship. Based on the inter-task relationship, let's take a look at how to use it for learning multitask network. Here I show the framework. We use multi-head network for learning all tasks. It has a shared backbone and multiple heads for all tasks. Note that gradient split is only conducted during the backward, so we don't have to change the network or introduce additional inference cost. To avoid task conflict, we divide the parameters of backbone into several groups. Each group corresponds to one task. For group T, it is assigned for task T. When updating the group T, we consider the asymmetric relation from other task to task T. Specifically, the parameter of group T are only updated by the gradient from a subset of tasks, where the relation from task T' to T is not negative. If one task has a negative relationship for task T, then this task's gradient will be removed for task T. Similarly, if task T has a negative relation for another task, then its gradient will be removed. By doing so, we can avoid the task conflict and learn a better multitask network. Here I show the results on 4-task setting. We compare gradient split with other state-of-art methods. Here we use single-task networks with the same backbone ResNet 50 as the upbound. We show gradient split achieves a better accuracy-efficiency trade-off. It minimizes accuracy drop caused by task conflicts, while significantly saving computer resources in terms of flops and memory and inference. On 3-task setting, we also show gradient split is more effective than other methods. When using a large capacity backbone, gradient split outperforms the single-task networks, and it achieves the best accuracy-efficiency trade-off. Here we show the last layer is the best choice to conduct gradient split. We also show randomly dropped gradients doesn't help multitask learning. Thank you.